Alright, so I got a video request from I forgot the username, but of my Hunter. Well, it's not in my bedroom, it's actually in my parents' bedroom, but it's Hunter ceiling fan right there. Gonna have a video of it. I'm gonna start it up because like I said, but it's a nice ceiling fan. I mean, it's a Hunter. I got the manual for it. Hold on, let me take a look at that real quick. I need that covered. I know it's in one of these drawers. It's in this one, I think. Well, yeah, I'll look for that later. But oh yeah, and that's a green bulb there, LED bulb. But yeah, I'll turn it on. It's got this longer cord here. So we're gonna do high first. Here it goes. So that's high, and here's medium. Alright, so that's medium, and here is low. Ignore background noise, that's a little annoying kid singing in the... So yeah, it's a very quiet fan. Not much else to say about it. Then we go off. Okay. It goes pretty smoothly winding down. It is a pretty nice fan. It moves a lot of air. As soon as it's done, it'll go forever. Alright, well anyways, I'm gonna have to stop this video now because I'm gonna stop with my hand, the blade. Alright, so anyways, that's it. The Hunter ceiling fan. I will get back to you on the information, specifications or whatever, but for now, over and out.